nearly 9 o'clock in the morning and I'm still here. Oy, oh, shivering. I definitely caught a cold last night. I do have paracetamol, so I'm going to stick to that in a minute. Paracetamol and some spirits. That's what I need. But I basically got back into the hammock. Look at my shirt fell off. Come on. Well, the thing about the hammock, it dries out really fast. It was a bit damp this morning, about 5 o'clock. 4 or 5 o'clock when I got out. And it dried out by about 5 o'clock. It was dry. And same with the sleeping bag, dried out really quick. And that just being left in here with the wind. I got back in, I just crashed out after my coffee. I've not slept. Still haven't slept yet. I think I had 2 hours last night. Not even got a leg brace on yet. But yeah, I just spent the past, I think 3 hours just out here. Shivering a little bit because of the wind. It is really, really freezing. And considering we had heat waves the past month, official heat waves. And yeah. I will get up. It's just I'm not exactly encouraged to get up when I've got a nice complete coverage from the rain. Because it is still raining. I mean, if I can see rain on my polyplastic tarp thingy, and I can see it coming down and hear it, then outside the tree coverage is going to be horrendous. Now, a lot of my trip home is going to be in the woods, so I'll have a certain amount of coverage from the rain. But half of it is going to be exposed, because I'm going to go the shortest route back, but it's still going to mean 3 hours going back, and yeah. Is that blue sky? Nope, just clouds. And darker clouds. I was thinking that all the stuff I got, I went for the cheapest that would do the job. I could have got a hammock for 10 quid, but I got a 30 quid one because it came with a little fly sheet, rain tarp thing. And it was a good size. It's a 2-person hammock, and it is actually big enough to do people. Even somebody nice size. I went for my polytunnel plastic because it was 3 meters by 6, I think. Something big enough that would give me complete coverage. If I were to get cold enough, like we asked, I could actually wrap that around the hammock. I did actually do that when I first bought it, just to experiment. And it is big enough to actually wrap around the hammock twice. So I could do that if I were desperate enough. It's got one small hole in it, and that's from probably a twig or something. But considering how much battering it's taking, and it is taking a lot of battering out there. The wind's calming down now, but it was horrendously bad earlier. For 10 quid, I'm pretty sure that's what it cost. It was £10. This is why I like posting all the things I buy, because that way I can actually verify if I forget how much it is. So I'm pretty sure it was 10 quid. God, that's fucking cool. Oh. So, yeah, it's big enough to give me complete coverage without feeling claustrophobic. Do this like that side of fire. So what I might do, I mean, the ideal economical size would be 4 meters by 5 rather than 3 by 6, or maybe 4 by 6. See, now I've done it the cheapest way possible. Now I'm thinking about actually spending more money, because now I've got the inflatable mattress, I've got the sleeping bag is too thin. It's okay for summer. It's meant to be a 4-season one. It is not. But what I could do with a sleeping bag, I've got another road one at home. I could put those two together, not zip together, or I could stitch them together. So what I'll probably end up doing is getting a double sleeping bag and a double inflatable mattress. Because the inflatable mattress is great, it's just that it's way too narrow. That's the problem. Way too narrow. I mean, for summertime, walk up the hill, yeah, this stuff is great. It does the job. Even in this horrendous bloody weather. But now that I've decided I like hammock camping, I've done things